today I have a very cool DIY. So I think everybody knows about the walls that are full with little boho inspired mirrors. And today I'm going to attempt to make a couple of these. I'm a little bit nervous because I have to cut a mirror. So let's start with the first mirror. So for the first mirror I found this rectangular one. And oh, you can see yourself. Hello. And I'm going to use these. These are with, oh my god, this angle. No. So these come with the paintings, but I didn't use them for the paintings. So I can use them for this project. And also these skewers. And I'm going to glue these together to get a new shape. And I have my strong glue. And I want to cut these a little bit shorter. And the English name is going to be here. So now I have to wait till the glue dries. So to keep it all in place, I'm going to put some hot glue on top of it so I can work on the front side of the mirror. So now for the fun part, we're going to flip it around. So I'm curious how it's going to look from the other side. Ooh. I think it looks really pretty, but we're not done yet. So now with the parts that I cut away from the skewers, I'm going to put them around the mirror on the front side, just to give it a little bit of a finished look. with the first border it looks like this. So I'm going to let this dry and then put on the second one. And then I think it's finished. So for the second mirror, I have this big mirror, and on the back side is already a thingy to hang it up. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut these with these again. So these I'm going to cut outside because it will give a very big mess and I don't want to have this inside. And I think I'm going to cut them somewhere around here. But I have to do it a little bit longer because I have to put them on the back. So here. So this is the pattern the mirror is going to be. And I thought it was a little bit of a sun shape going like this. And now I have to turn the mirror around and glue everything on the back. Whoa, it looks so good. But not done yet. So now I'm going to create a border around here, just to finish the look, and I'm going to use this cord. third mirror, I want to use this plate that I bought in my very first YouTube video. So I want to put this mirror on here and I want it to be round. So that's what I have to cut in a second. And then put some macrame rope around this border and around the mirror. And then I'm going to put some of these little shells on there too. Now, the reason that this is square and not round is because I could not find a round little mirror. Nowhere. I found one and it was very expensive. So I'm just going to take a risk and cut this myself. So I looked at a lot of YouTube videos on how to do this and I got this one. So I can cut in a circle. And it said that I also had to use this one. So while cutting, I'm going to use my garden gloves, because that's what I have here to protect my hands. And we will see how this goes. Wish me luck. So it worked. Oh my god. The first one failed and the second one I put a lot of pressure on the knife going around, and then I used the backside of a screwdriver to tap the backside, and then everything just fell apart in a good way. It's very rough on the edges, but it doesn't matter because I'm going to cover the edges with the macrame cord. First I'm going to glue this on here. So to be sure it's going to stay in place, I'm going to put some hot glue on the back to secure it. So the glue cooled down and now I can work on the front. They are so pretty. I had so much fun making these and it was easy. It took a little bit of time, but it's not difficult to make, except for the cutting the mirror part, but in the end it all came together. So maybe if you have some ideas for some DIY projects, just let me know in the comments below and maybe you will see that in another video. So again, thank you so much for watching, and if you like this, please like this video and subscribe to my channel, because it will help me a lot. I can see that my channel is growing and it's so awesome that you guys are watching and liking it. There's motivation for me to keep going and inspire you with some more DIYs and thrift store adventures and other stuff. So thank you again and I will see you next time. For the next project, I'm going to zoom in on my nose. So I have my snoeischaar. I really hate this reflection. Ugh. So thank you so much for watching my